public announcement, back to doing court cases again. I know I stepped away from, the court thing, but, hey, man, I had some pending jobs, revolving around a court situation. I might as well give you an update. I was doing work for this OG Crip. You know what I'm saying? Crip! You know what I'm saying? He was looking at some 20-something years, 20-something years, for his offense. Basically, we went to work and dude, what I'm saying, he had the single digits. His girl, what I'm saying, was in the same situation. What I'm saying? She had the charges up against her, what I'm saying, and we did the work, what I'm saying, and that's and they got free, what I'm saying? She got her charges dropped and stuff like that, but what I mean, you know what I mean? I don't gotta say too much, but they know who I am, you know what I'm saying? But that's part of the game. I don't gotta talk too much, you know what I'm saying? But recently with this case here, I got a new case whatsoever. I got 4 months ago. This guy was rotting in jail whatsoever, you know what I'm saying? Wuga, you know what I mean? Played this lady, you know what I'm saying? And basically the dude was sitting in there for like 2 years already. Rikers, I believe, you know what I'm saying? So, 2 years sitting, you know what I mean? Nobody, nothing. You know what I mean? I stepped in 4 months ago. You know what I'm saying? They couldn't break him. You know what I'm saying? You already know, DA trying to come in with, private investigators, you know what I'm saying? Trying to scare the motherfucker with the public pretender, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we wasn't backing down, you know what I mean? Dudes walk in, you know what I'm saying? He's looking at what? Pandering, you know what I'm saying? Human trafficking, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Some serious charges, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It's hard out here, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But, they try to throw shit on him. You know what I mean? They try to hit him with them, them pimping laws, you know what I'm saying? And, basically, they worked on the situation. We still working on it because it went from 14 to 15 down to like 3 to 5. That's a big difference. Before they wasn't even talking those numbers. He was looking at 14 to 15 years. And now they talking about 3 to 5. So, you know what I'm saying? We're in limbo right now because we don't know if we're going to take the 3 to 5. We're looking to move towards we trying to see, if we're going to keep on pushing it to see if we're going to get probation instead, you know what I'm saying? But that's just how this thing goes when you're saying. But other than that, I only do criminal cases, you know what I'm saying? And it all depends, you know what I'm saying? It all depends, I got to hear the case out, hear what I'm looking at, you know what I'm saying? But it's 3 to 5. But again, let me put this out there, let me correct that. I don't do nothing. That's a spirit that goes out there and do what it needs to do. You know what I'm saying? But again, I only do criminal cases. I only accept criminal cases only. So if you're out there talking about, you know what I'm saying, you're dealing with, child support, I don't specialize in that. I don't specialize in divorce courts, custody. I only deal with criminal cases, you know what I'm saying? So if you're out there, man, you know what I'm saying, you need that, you know what I mean, you need that upper hand in the court judicial system, you know what I'm saying? Come to the Haitians, man. So life, and I'm out.